Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into the fascinating world of physics, the science that explains how the universe works. But don't worry, we're going to keep it simple and relatable, just like chatting with a friend. So, what is physics anyway? Well, think of it as the instruction manual for the universe. Physics helps us understand the fundamental laws that govern everything around us, from the tiniest particles to the vastness of space. Let's start with something relatable. Imagine you're driving a car. Ever wonder why it stops when you hit the brakes? Physics explains this. When you press the brake pedal, it triggers a process that slows down the car. It's all about friction between the brake pads and the wheels, a fundamental concept in physics. Now let's talk about gravity. You know, the force that keeps us grounded and makes things fall. Remember the story of Isaac Newton and the falling apple? Well, that's an iconic physics moment. Newton's law of universal gravitation helps us understand why the apple fell to the ground. Physics also takes us into the mysterious world of the very small. Ever heard of atoms and particles? Imagine a tiny jigsaw puzzle piece. Atoms are like those puzzle pieces that make up everything. And inside atoms, you've got electrons, protons, and neutrons, like the smaller pieces that make up the big one. Now, let's venture into the cosmos. Physics plays a huge role in space exploration. When scientists send rockets into space, they use physics to calculate the perfect launch and trajectory. It's like planning a road trip, but on an interstellar scale. So, there you have it. Physics is all about understanding the world around us, from the everyday stuff like braking a car to the mind-boggling mysteries of the universe. And the best part? You don't need to be a rocket scientist to appreciate it. If you enjoyed this journey into the world of physics, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe, and ring the notification bell for more exciting videos. And as always, keep questioning, keep exploring, and keep learning. Thanks for joining us today.